guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got another Doorables unboxing. I am so excited. This is a collection peek and we have got the Pixarfest collection peek. Now this is only available, as I am aware of at the moment, on the American version of Amazon. Thankfully they do ship to the UK, so I have managed to get hold of this. There are 8 figures to collect and these are who we can collect. We've got Eve, Wally, Jack, Carl, Ellie in their young form, Remy, Boo and Miguel. Now I do know that the mystery figure is Buzz. Now, I would just like to say before we get into this, I am so happy that these are the characters they have chosen for the main figures that you do collect. Because in lots of Pixar things, as much as I absolutely love Toy Story is a bit overused. It's a thing that commonly used, and they commonly use Buzz and Woody, and I love the fact that these characters aren't as common. Now obviously Toy Story is the mystery figure, but you're not always going to get that, which is really nice. So when you open up the box, this is exactly what it looks like. You have a little sheet which says Disney Doorables Pixarfest Special Edition Certificate. And then this tells you all the characters again who you can collect and the mystery figure, or the bonus figure as they call it. Now you do have on here, you get 8 doors. And if you have got the bonus figure in one of these doors, there will be 2 bags. Of course, I would love to get the bonus figure, but that is not always the case. So we are going to start with this door up here. This is a pull door. These bags are a beautiful blue colour. They are so easy to open. Oh, he is gorgeous. We have got Miguel. Oh, I love him so much. He is so cute. He has, unfortunately, got some paint splats in places. But I have noticed recently that Doorables don't always do the best paint job, probably because they are mass produced. So I'm learning to sort of accept that. I'm going to do this door here now with Jack on the front, that I have just hacked open. We are into this blind bag here, blind bag number 2. Oh wow, he is amazing. This is Jack. And they've gone for Jack in his sort of angry flamed version, which is really cool. It's a nice change rather than doing him in the superhero suit, because that's often what you would see him in. So the next door I'm going to do is this one in the middle at the bottom. Oh, I wonder who this is going to be. Bag number 3. Oh, she is adorable. So adorable. We have got young Ellie there. Oh my gosh, I love her. She is going to go so cute and so well with the Kyle. So onto this door up here in the middle. We have got bag number 4. Oh my goodness, Eve, your face is so dirty. But she is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love her. We have got Eve. Oh, she is adorable. I absolutely love Doorables. Now, I will be honest with you. I started doing Disney Doorables and buying Disney Doorables because they are great Disney merchandise and things that people who watch Disney unboxings and love Disney unboxings love to see people unbox, and I thought they'd be really fun for me to do. Since I have started opening them, I am hooked, and I am now unfortunately collecting them, which is not what was intended. We are now going to open this door down here in the corner. So we have got bag number 6. We have got Boo in her Monsters outfit. Wow, she is gorgeous. Oh, I love her so much. She is cute. And Monsters Inc. and Monsters U are definitely some of my, or one of my favourite Pixar movies. So we are going to open this door right here. We have got one bag for number 6 or 7. Oh my goodness, this I think is my absolute favourite. He is adorable. So he is a flocked Doorable, and he has got a fuzzy feel to it, and it is Remy. He's got a little strawberry and his little chef's hat on. Oh my god, I love him. Look, and you can see there his little tail. Oh my gosh. He is my absolute favourite. He's like one of the best Doorables I have seen in a while. So we have got 2 doors left. We are going to start with the door at the top. And oh my goodness, I'm so enjoying opening these. Oh my god, I'm in love with this one as well. It is Wally, guys. Oh my gosh. Seriously, how adorable is he? Oh, I just love him so much. Oh, he is going to go perfectly with Eve. So, we have got the last door down here. See if we have got 1 bag or 2 bags. Okay, just 1 bag. So we did not get the mystery figure today, which I am perfectly okay with, and I will not be buying more boxes just to try and get it. If I desperately wanted it, I would look on eBay for it and pay for it or trade for it. But oh my god, this is just as cute as well. Oh my gosh, it's a young Carl. Oh my gosh, he is so cute with his glasses. I am in love, guys. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I am going to choose a favourite. It's so difficult. I think my top 2 favourites are going to be Wally and Remy, just for the cuteness and because they're characters that I've not seen done in Disney Doorables before. I would love to see them do in the next series, series 9 of Doorables, a little Wally and maybe some more Remy characters. That would be, or Ratatouille characters I should say, that would be so fun to see. Please let me know in the comments down below which Doorable was your favourite. And I'd love to know if you collect Doorables. I think they are so fun to collect. And because of their size, they don't take up much space. I did recently complete my little Winnie the Pooh collection from series 6. So I am so happy about those. I do not intend to collect anything else from series 6, so thankfully I am a completist with that of what I wanted to collect. I'm still trying to collect more of series 5 and series 7, and we'll be on the hunt for series 8. I am so excited. I do actually have some series 8 boxes on pre-order at the time I am filming this video. By the time you see this video, they may have arrived. Please let me know in the comments down below, as I said guys, which Doorable was your favourite. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I hope you have enjoyed this video guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye!